बरो
आमचे शिरोड्या जे ब्रह्मदुर्ग हायस्कूल आसा त्या हायस्कूलचे काही टिचर्स आणि भुरगीं जी आसा पळय न्ही ती आज हांगसर विधानसभेचो कार्यक्रम जो आसा पळय तो पळोवपा आयला, फंक्शनालिटी पळोवपा आयिल्ले आसात आणि नक्कीच ही पयलीच खेपे ही भुरगीं आयिल्ले आसात आनी त्यानुसार भुरग्यांक एक वेगळो अनुभव ह्या विधानसभेचे प्रोग्रामाचो किंवा कार्यक्रमाचो आयलो आसतलो. हांव भुरग्यांक शुभेच्छा दितां की तुमी सगळे वेळ काडून हांगसर आयले. टिचर्सांक अभिनंदन करता की तुमी वेळ काडून ह्या भुरग्यांक हांगसर घेवन आयले अशें म्हणून की वर्गांतलें शिक्षक जें आसा पळय न्ही शिक्षण त्या शिवाय व्यतिरिक्त भुरग्यांक अशा प्रकारचे एक्सपोजर जो आसा पळय तो दिवपाक जाय. ती मागीर बँक आसूं, पोस्ट ऑफीस आसूं किंवा एखादी तुगेले झू आसूं, ते हे सगळे प्रकारचे डॅम आसूं अशे सगळे प्रकारचे एक्सपोजर जो आसा भुरग्यांक ल्हानपणांतल्यान दिवपाक जाय जेणे करून त्याची ज्ञानात भर पडटली. आज ही भुरगीं हांगसर आयिल्ली आसात आणि तांकां नक्कीच एक वेगळो अनुभव जो आसा पळय न्ही तो आयच्या एसेंब्लीच्या माध्यमांतल्यान तांकां मेळ्ळो आसतलो.
तुमकां दिसता हेंचे भुरग्यांनी पॉलिटिक्सांनी कितें स्टँड घेतलो म्हणजे फुडें?
पॉलिटिक्सांक कोण येवं शकता कोण येवचें ना कोण सांगूं शकना. आय वॉज ऑल्सो अ टीचर. हांवें केन्नाच चिंतून नाशिल्लें की हांव पॉलिटिक्सांत येतलो म्हणून पॉलिटिक्सांत पावलो भितर. तशें भुरग्यां भितरल्यान आनी टिचरां भितरल्यान सुद्दां पॉलिटिक्सांत येवं शकतात. ओके
कम
श्री ब्रह्मदुर्गा हायस्कूल. श्री ब्रह्मदुर्गा हायस्कूल म्हाका हांगा येवन खूब बरें दिसलें आनी केन्ना पळोवनाशिल्लें तें आयज पळयलां. आमी अशें टीव्हीचेर बीन पळयताले गोवा लायव्ह न्यूज.
फुडलें कितें शिकलां हांगा येवन कितें अशें दिसलें?
कशें उलयता तें बीन शिकपाक मेळ्ळें.
फुडें कितें जावंक शकता?
डॉक्टर.
नांव सांग तुजें.
हांव सानिशा श्री ब्रह्मदुर्गा स्कुलाच्यान येयलां. म्हाका हांगसर खूब बरें दिसलें. हांव फर्स्ट टायम येयलां एसेंब्लीन आनी सगळें वेगळें वेगळें आयकून म्हाका खूब बरें दिसलें.
कितें शिकलें कितें पळोवपाक मेळ्ळें तुका? एक्सपिरियन्स कितें
बरें एक्सपिरियन्स आशिल्ले सगळ्यांचे.
एक मिनट.
Hello, myself Sanvi Sawant from Daigo High Secondary School, class 12 science. It was an amazing experience for our class to attend this assembly session, and I am really very thankful for Sir Nilkan Halankar and Madam Madhvi Halankar for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.
What have you seen in the assembly? What was your experience sitting in the assembly?
It was fun learning something, all the newses, understanding them.
Most of the things students see in the TV, but you saw live. So how?
Yeah, I'm happy that I saw it live, and I'm grateful for this opportunity.
Myself Ashnam Baiju, and I'm from Dagovas Higher Secondary School, and it has been an amazing opportunity to get here and see all the things that we see in news, and I would like to thank Madhvi Halankar for this amazing opportunity that they provided us. It was a really amazing session. Thank you.
What was your experience sitting in the assembly? How you felt?
It was good actually to see all the things that we see actually in TV, and
you saw so many ministers in the assembly. So what was it like?
Felt great.
Zivya Kashyap. My name is Zivya Kashyap. I am from Standard 10 and my school name is Sirmatanmas High School, Shorao. So today we came at Goa Assembly, Legislative Assembly, and finally we visited here, and we got this opportunity to come here and meet those all 40 MLAs, and we are very happy to come here and visit it. Thank you.
I'm Anvi Golwarkar from Shri Ram Vidya Mandir. It's my pleasure to come here and get this opportunity to visit the assembly practically. I thank my teachers and my management and Mrs. Madhvi Halankar and Mr. Nilkant Halankar for giving us this opportunity to visit this place. Thank you.
Tell me about your name.
My name is Shantanu Moi. I am from Shri Ram Vidya Mandir, and I have a pleasure to see this. Daily we see this in our television, but today I am glad to see this in live. So I thank you, Madam Mrs. Madhvi Halankar and Sir Nilkant Halankar. Thank you.
Yeah, tell me.
Myself Shipra Halankar. I am from school Shri Ram Vidya Mandir. I am very glad that I got the opportunity to visit the assembly. Today I got to know lots of information about how the law making process goes in the legislative assembly. I also thank my teachers and my manager madam Mrs. Madhvi Halankar and Sir Nilkant for giving us the opportunity to visit over here. Thank you.